Hello, digital home learners. I just wanted to check in and make sure everyone understands the expectations for starting class. So you are on your team's dashboard and you go to the tile for math and science class, and it lands you here on the general channel. So you can see for tomorrow there's an announcement here, and it reminds you what you should be working on, and that is what you do until small group is called. So notice the first thing it says for every day is to mark your attendance. So I'm going to show you the attendance from today. Notice it said attendance 922, and you say I'm here and ready to learn, and then you submit your vote. Obviously you're not really voting for anything, but it is set up as a poll, okay? So then it reflects that you are here, and your attendance is then recorded for this work session. So once you've marked that you're here, then you need to check the list and see what you should be working on. So remember that there's a weekly spiral review for each day of the week. Those are located in ClassDojo activities. I know we keep moving it around, but we're really trying to find the best place for us to use it. So later this week, actually, you will vote on where you liked it best, whether you want it to be a form or whether you want it to be a ClassDojo activity. So make sure you're current and that you have Monday through Wednesday done. Looking back at Monday's assignments, there were 2 Nearpods about decimals in the Nearpod Lessons channel. So over here, you click on Nearpod Lessons, and they're actually here at the top. You can click on decimals, the thousands place. There was a video about that. And then read, write, and compare decimals. So you need to make sure that you have both of those done from Monday. Then there were also science activities from Monday. So one was located in Dojo. It was a workbook page, 182. And then there were also science workbook pages 183 and 184 were here in Teams as an assignment. So you can either scroll up in this channel to find it from Monday, or you can click on assignments and locate it there. So you can see it here, this science workbook pages 183, 184. You also can see that as of right now, Tuesday night, only 9 people of the 36 have turned this in so far. So please, please, please be checking your work. That is a number that is similar to many other assignments from this week. Many of you are not turning your work in. So those were things from Monday. From Tuesday, which today, because this is the day I'm recording this, we added the Resort Report cover page in Dojo and the Resort Report page 2 in Dojo. So it's a new project like what we did with place value, but this time it's with multi-digit multiplication, and you are in charge of building a brand new resort. So you got to figure out how many people you can hold. We're going to be eventually figuring out food and all kinds of fun things for your resort. So you should have the cover page and page 2 done from your work today. Notice that new for Wednesday is Resort Report page 3 will be added in Dojo. I have assigned 2 iReady teacher assigned lessons about decimals. Those are due on Friday. Remember that the expectation in iReady is that when you have teacher assigned lessons, you do those first, and then you continue to work your iReady path. Also new on Wednesday will be on the Nearpod channel. I'm going to add 2 science review activities. So just like the decimal ones were located in the top tabs of the Nearpod Lessons channel, the science ones will be there as well. If by chance you are one of the people that have gotten all of these things done, then you are welcome to do iReady learning games. Remember, the learning games don't count toward your time on task, but they are still beneficial to you and give you a nice little brain break. And also in Prodigy, I have set up a class in Prodigy. So if that's something that you already have, you can use your old account. If not, you can set up a new account, and our class code for Prodigy is here. So you can join our class. Okay. So please work hard to get caught up and current in your work. And remember, do not try to go into a live session with me until you have been called to small group, okay? Because that just interrupts the learning that's happening with the small group. So please follow Expectations Wednesday. We're going to get the hang of this. All right, we got this. Have a great rest of the week, and I will see you in class.